Ooh, it's on fire. It's on fire. Look at this beauty.
I am afraid of putting the camera too close because the fire is massive.
Welcome back to Portugal. We came to stay with my other grandparents on my father's side in Cabeção. Now this was the town that I grew up in. Let me introduce you to my nan, Felizmina, Pulgas, Varandas. Hello, hello. Oi para a câmera. Hello, hello. We are going to make cabbage soup.
Oh filha, a avó tem que ir um chatiscaria.
Look at the side of this cabbage. We are gonna make
Cabbage soup.
Caldo Verde in Portuguese. This is my nan's kitchen. This is a typical Alentejo's house. It's a little bit different from Ribatejo. We've already got something cooking. What is this? I think it's some. It's the potatoes for the soup and onions. This chimney here is hiding some secrets. If we look under, there's some chouriços and farinheiras hanging from the chimney. So this is a chouriço and this is a farinheira. So this is chouriço. In the winter here in Alentejo, people used to slaughter a pig around winter time, I think like November, December, and then they will make chouriços. They will make this and they will hang them on the chimney to be smoked, and this is how they'll cure the meat for the rest of the year. This is one of my favorite foods that I miss most when we're out of Portugal. It's chouriços, because you can't find this anywhere besides Portugal and Spain, like proper good ones. And also the farinheira. But I still prefer this one, the meaty one. O que é que isso leva? Batatas, cebola e alho?
E alho, pois.
Alright, so we've got some potatoes, onions and garlic. Back in it goes.
Has to be very thinly sliced.
Que é para ficar pequenino para Natal.
And then because I guess the leaves were very big, now your grandmother is just cutting them like in half so it doesn't have like very big strings of cabbage.
And look who has arrived. Mr. Arlindo Souza. This is my granddad. Lovely mustache that he has. Today we look alike. We've got our traditional hats.
I saw it on the fish food.
And then put a bit of hot water, cabbage. Depois água quente.
Quente.
É para quê?
Para escaldar.
Para escaldar.
Para tirar o ácido da couve.
Esperas agora para pôr os temperos todos.
And the cabbage goes in.
Falta os quantos. Fiz apenas só um raminho para...
Aqui ou na outra?
Não, outra há muito tempo, depois trazemos.
Um raminho de quê?
De coentros.
Coentros.
Para ver só como é que é.
Ok.
Vai.
My nan asked Christiana to pick out some Coentros, if you know what that is. It's coriander, very similar. Coentros, coriander.
She wants a raminho.
Take that one.
This one. But then, even though I don't know if it's enough.
I think it's enough for the soup.
It smells so good.
Sugar.
Chega.
It's enough? Alright.
Oh, já cheira. Tá caldo verde.
Smells good already. Olive oil. Isto é caseiro? Isto
É caseiro. É das nossas oliveiras.
And some chicken stock.
Já puxado?
Oh, salt. Salt.
Pois já.
Tá feito? Okay, we're gonna leave that for 20 minutes cooking, and now my granddad needs some help with something. Preciso de ajuda com o quê? Bora.
É só para teres uma boa e não se capaz de carregar o comer. É para engatar aqui. Agora está lá tudo. Descobre logo esta coisa.
Hey, já está aqui umas boas.
Já estão boas, já.
Can you get it? The black one up top. Oh, let me try to get it.
This one. Oh, yep, you got it.
Aí, mano. São de doces. São doces. Dá algum cedo, muito cedo.
Very sweet. But they're smaller compared to the ones in Turkey.
Much smaller. The ones in Turkey were about this size. We've got a kind of sketchy bridge. This is all their animals. Got a few ducks, a few chickens, turkeys. Hello there. And we've got some Vietnamese pigs. What's up, boys? These are the small fat ones. They're tiny compared to the normal Iberian pig. Look at these flowers. Got this ones. Pretty nice. Hello. You alright? Cristiano reminds me of those people in Peru with this scarf.
You can help him because he doesn't have any strength anymore for
Carregador naquela molazinha e tias lá dentro.
a little tractor.
Carregar na molazinha agora. Aí é que entra ali o braço. Não tenho já força na mão, não tenho nada.
Já está. It's done.
I think so. Sorted, well done. This is our vineyard. We produce our own wine. We also got the veggie garden. We've got some mint here. We've got some tomatoes. I think this is tomatoes, no?
Yeah, this is tomatoes, strawberries.
Peaches.
Prunes. Also,
This is olive tree. We also produce our own olive oil. See the flower.
so the veggie garden sits somewhere over there. Here is the vineyard, and then over there also another vineyard. And then over there behind the little garden there's another vineyard. And here,
There's a lot of orange trees. Pomegranates, also lemon trees.
a lot of trees.
A lot of fruits,
Yeah,
especially in the summer.
and what your granddad is doing at the moment is just getting rid of all the grass. Because it was kind of getting tall,
Yeah.
so he's getting rid of it.
Achamos boas. São sadiazinhas, não vês?
There's a nest.
A little bird's nest. I think we got like 10.
More than enough. That one is not good.
Gonna wash them
Cut them in halves and squeeze the
and
juice.
squeeze.
Electric. Very fancy. Okay.
Remember that guy in Egypt, in the Valley of the Kings? Portugal, Portugal, Portugal.
Many
Portugal.
portocals.
Portugal means orange in Arabic.
And the last batch. Ooh.
Perfect.
You exactly measured it before squeezing all the juices. And now,
Just to look nice, a little bit of mint.
Que já cheira.
Are you ready to be amazed? Ooh, it's on fire. It's on fire.
ponho aqui acima e pronto.
Pois assim. Pronto. E se quiseres assar o chouriço, assas também. Destes meios
É, depois
grandes.
temos que virar, não?
Depois.
Volta e meia.
This is called farinheira assada. This is something very typical to do here in Alentejo. We put a bit of alcohol, we light it up, and now it's
Cooking. We can eat it raw, by the way.
look at this beauty.
I am afraid of putting the camera too close because the fire is massive. Woo! So we have these special pots that we are cooking the farinheira, or we can cook it. We can cook chouriços, whatever we want to cook it there. We have the special pots that are made specially for this.
This is made out of clay.
Ah,
Oh, the little string is catching fire.
outra vez, põe-se.
Smells absolutely incredible. I think only Portuguese and Spanish know this.
I think I probably put too much alcohol on it. I didn't know how much was it. So
Get under. Ooh. embora. Fire. And if you notice here, this is made out of renda. Renda, my nan knitted this.
And we already messed it up with our cooking on the fire. You in the kitchen, disaster.
Absolutely.
Big disaster. Okay. The end of the fire.
A wet cloth, cover it, that's it. Many years in the kitchen. What did they want? 76. 76, my nan. She's 76. And my granddad, 79. 79?
Hey,
79?
79.
Veja lá, filho.
79, yeah, he speaks English.
79, yeah.
Yeah, 79.
79.
79. In November.
In November? What day?
20.
20.
20.
20.
20.
No, 20th
20th
of November.
His birthday.
Ei, aprendi, já sabem, acabaram a aprender tudo.
E cagamos a mesa toda.
Não faz mal. Ai, muita toalha.
Ah, é isso.
Usually this soup goes well with a glass of wine.
My granddad's gonna drink.
Sabes que
And me.
Sabes que é força muito essas coisas?
Half a glass for me, half a glass for my granddad.
And another thing, homemade wine. Your granddad made this wine, right?
Yeah, he did.
A mixture of red and white grapes.
It's in between. This is bread from Alentejo. It's a little bit different from Coço, from Ribatejo. It's considered the best bread in Portuguese from Alentejo.
I agree.
Tá bom. Não. Não sei se ele está bom ou se não está.
Você começou por baixo.
Não, mas esta parte corta bem.
And as we said before, there's always olives, bread and cheese on the table. This is the smoked chouriço. You have to add a few slices on your
One
soup.
is enough for me.
Só faz a coisa mal.
Really good.
Approved?
Very, very good.
E você o que é que diz? Tá bom ou não?
Está belíssimo.
É a primeira vez que elogia.
Very nice.
Very nice.
Very nice caldo verde português.
This
There
is-
is meat and fat inside of it and flour.
Then you just eat it with bread.
Very good. Then we have the olives there. And
Very
then
good indeed.
the farniera and chorizo that we cooked on that little thing with fire. And the raw one there to put
On the soup.
there to put on the soup. We are sorted.
After lunch, we're gonna have a coffee and the elderly are gonna have a nap. In fact, they're already sleeping. Can I have a look? Someone's having a nap. And my granddad, is he sleeping? Ah, he's still awake. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and we shall see you on the next one. Peace.